Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change email on Travelocity. To change the email associated with your Travelocity account, these are the steps that you need to take. First off, open your web browser and go to www.travelocity.com. Then, once you get into the web browser, just follow through. Once again, to the web app, rather, just follow through the on-screen instructions to log in with your account credentials. After logging in, signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Travelocity. So once you're logged in, the next thing that you like to do is to go ahead and click on your profile picture, or your profile name, which is just in the top right corner of the page. So once you click on that, you'll be provided with a drop down, and from this drop down you see my account and you see sign out. Now go ahead and click on my account, and that's going to take you to the my accounts window. In the my accounts window, you have two categories here: my travel details and my account info. So on the my travel details, of course, you see those options that are under frequent flyer membership, personal info, flight preferences, passport, CSA info. And just right under my account info, you have email and password, payments methods, email preferences, my deal alerts, trips for me, connected accounts. Under my account and info, go ahead and click on email and password. And over here, you have your email and password. So on the email and password page, look for the email address field, which is here. Now enter your new email address. Click on that, exit, enter your new email address. And in here, retype the email address. This means whenever you entered here, retype it here and click on save. And once you do that, that's going to be changed and that's going to be saved. And that's pretty much all about that. So ensure that you double check to ensure the email address is accurate and accessible. So you may need to confirm your identity. All right, so you may be asked for email verification, or you may not be asked for email verification, whichever one. So, but just check your new email inbox for a verification email from Travelocity. Then open the email and click on the verification link to confirm the change. After verification, you can log in to your Travelocity account using your new email address. Ensure that the email change is reflected in your account settings. So here are some things to note. Now, if you don't receive the verification email, you can check your spam/junk folder or request a new verification link through the email and password page. And of course, if you forgot your current password, you can use the forgot password option on the login page to reset it before changing your email. And if you encounter issues, just go ahead and click on support, which is at the top right corner of the page, to contact Travelocity for assistance. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope in this tutorial marvelously helped you search.